Welcome to Beenia. Let's get you set up to start achieving your goals faster. Create your first workspace and name it based on your focus, whether it's a department like marketing or a project related to your product growth. This will be the hub where all your goals and activities come together. Next, go to your workspace settings. Activate the apps you want to use, such as goals, activities, meetings, members, or time tracking, to customize your workspace and make sure your team has the tools they need. Once your workspace is ready, create your first goal, something measurable that aligns with what you want to achieve. For example, set a target like reaching 1,000 paying customers. Then, set a second goal to support it, such as booking the number of demos needed to achieve that target. If you upgrade to the ultimate plan, you'll be able to create sub-goals directly to further refine your progress tracking. Next, brainstorm tasks to help you reach your goals. For instance, to book more demos, you might add tasks like creating a demo booking form on your homepage or producing an explainer video to encourage signups. These tasks directly support your goals and keep your efforts focused. Plan your tasks systematically on the main dashboard under the Activities tab. For a clear overview, you can create columns named after months, January, February, March, and assign tasks to each month, helping you organize and schedule your work efficiently. It's time to invite your teammates. Collaboration is key, so bring them on board to work together on achieving your goals. Next, assign ideas to your teammates. This will help everyone understand their responsibilities and stay aligned on what needs to be done. You can view all your tasks in My View. This gives you a clear overview of what's happening and where things stand in real time. And as tasks change, you'll be notified about the updates in your notifications. That way, you're always informed and can stay on top of everything. There's so much more you can do. Beenia lets you track goals automatically using external data, create custom fields for activities, match goals with activities using rules, and even automate activity creation with Zapier. For personalized guidance, book an onboarding session. Whether you're in growth acceleration, product management, innovation management, or coaching services, Beenia can help you achieve your goals faster. Let's get started.